His grandma Bria. I'm very upset. Wanna know why? Because of my granddaughter. Like I said, you little heifers. It's so disgusting. So nasty. You're nasty. Oh, she come up in my house. And I'm sitting here talking to her and laughing. And I look at her neck. It's a hickey. This wasn't no red hickey. This was a purple hickey. All up here. I said, who did that to your neck there? Because as long as I've been living, I've never seen a purple hickey. Just red. Something wrong with that. You know, I had to tear that thing up. I beat her so good. I bet she won't come in this house with no hickey again. I bet not. You need to respect your grandparents, because grandparents don't want to see that. They want to continue to look at you like you're a little baby. But if she do that to me again, she won't be living. That's another thing I would like to talk about here. I heard this song, and I would like for you to hear the song I heard by my granddaughter. And I'm a fucking bitch too. I ain't got no manners for no sluts. I'ma put my thumb in a butt. Put the shot of Henny out. Lord bless that mouth up on that boy there. That's nasty. How can y'all listen to that? That's nasty. My grandkids come. I don't want to listen to that, but they just love that Future Boy. But I got to listen to it because I love them. But I will turn this song on. I wanna make sure I'm right, girl, before I let go. There's nothing I would not do. Oh, let you go. That's that music right there. I can listen to that song all day, all night. Love him.